Question 1. What is the primary benefit of cloud computing in terms of scalability? A. Reduced costs for hardware upgrades. B. Ability to quickly scale up or down based on demand. C. Enhanced security through on-premises control. D. Simplified network management. Answer for question 1. Correct answer, B. Ability to quickly scale up or down based on demand. Imagine you're running an e-commerce platform, and during holidays, your website experiences a significant surge in traffic. Cloud computing allows you to scale your resources up rapidly to handle this increased demand and then scale back down when the traffic subsides. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining performance and controlling costs. To prepare for this concept, review Microsoft's learning materials on cloud computing benefits, which highlight scalability as a key advantage. Why other options are wrong? A. While cloud computing can reduce costs, this is not the primary benefit related to scalability. C. Enhanced security through on-premises control is not a benefit of cloud computing, instead, cloud providers offer robust security measures. D. Simplified network management is a benefit but not directly related to scalability. Question 2. True or false, cloud computing is only available as a public cloud service? A. True. B. False. Answer for question 2. Correct answer, B. False. Cloud computing is available in 3 main models: public, private, and hybrid. Public clouds are provided by third-party providers over the Internet, private clouds are managed within an organization's premises, and hybrid clouds combine elements of both. For a deeper understanding, explore Microsoft Learn's resources on cloud deployment models. Why other options are wrong? A. The statement ignores the existence of private and hybrid cloud models. Question 3. Which of the following cloud service models provides a complete platform for developing, running, and managing applications without the need for underlying infrastructure management? A. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. B. Platform as a Service, PaaS. C. Software as a Service, SaaS. D. Desktop as a Service, DaaS. Answer for question 3. Correct answer, B. Platform as a Service, PaaS. PaaS is like having a fully equipped workshop where you can build and run applications without worrying about the underlying tools and machinery. It provides everything needed for application development, from frameworks to databases, allowing developers to focus solely on coding. To grasp this concept better, use WizLab's practice tests and video courses that cover PaaS in detail. Why other options are wrong? A. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources but requires management of the underlying infrastructure. C. SaaS provides software applications over the Internet but does not offer a platform for developing applications. D. DaaS is a cloud-based service that provides virtual desktops but is not related to application development platforms. Question 4. Match the following cloud service types with their descriptions. IaaS. PaaS. SaaS. Offers software applications over the Internet. Provides virtualized computing resources. Provides a platform for developing and running applications. Answer for question 4. Correct matches. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources. PaaS provides a platform for developing and running applications. SaaS offers software applications over the Internet. Think of these services like different levels of a restaurant. IaaS is like renting a kitchen where you manage everything. PaaS is like having a chef who prepares meals for you, but you still manage the menu. Sauce is like ordering takeout, everything is ready for you. For practice, use Coursera's course on preparing for the AZ-900 exam, which includes interactive exercises. Question 5. Which of the following are benefits of cloud computing? Select all that apply. A. High availability. B. Scalability. C. Cost savings. D. Reduced flexibility. Answer for question 5. Correct answers: A, B, C. Cloud computing offers several key benefits. High availability ensures services are always accessible, scalability allows resources to be adjusted based on demand, and cost savings come from reduced capital expenditures and operational efficiency. To reinforce these concepts, review Skillsoft's exam preparation materials, which cover these benefits comprehensively. Why other options are wrong? D. Reduced flexibility is not a benefit of cloud computing, instead, cloud services provide increased flexibility. Question 6. True or false? The shared responsibility model in cloud computing means that the cloud provider is responsible for all security aspects. A. True. B. False. Answer for question 6. Correct answer: B. False. The shared responsibility model divides security responsibilities between the cloud provider and the customer. The provider secures the cloud infrastructure, while the customer secures their data and applications within that infrastructure. For a detailed explanation, refer to Microsoft's study guide for AZ-900, which outlines this model clearly. Why other options are wrong? A. The statement overlooks the customer's role in security. Question 7. What is the term for the ability of a system to continue operating even if one or more components fail? A. Scalability. B. High availability. C. Fault tolerance. D. Elasticity. Answer for question 7. Correct answer: C. Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is like having a backup plan for your car. If one part fails, another can take over to keep you moving. It ensures that a system remains operational despite component failures. To understand this concept better, use Adam Marczak's video resources on AZ-900, which cover fault tolerance in depth. Why other options are wrong? A. Scalability refers to the ability to adjust resources based on demand. B. High availability ensures that systems are always accessible but does not specifically address component failures. D. Elasticity is related to scalability and flexibility in resource allocation. Question 8. Which of the following cloud deployment models involve using both on-premises infrastructure and cloud services? Select all that apply. A. Public cloud. B. Private cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. D. Community cloud. Answer for question 8. Correct answer: C. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud combines public and private cloud services, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. This model provides flexibility and scalability while maintaining control over sensitive data. For practice, use Pluralsight's resources, which include detailed explanations of hybrid clouds. Why other options are wrong? A. Public cloud involves third-party services over the Internet. B. Private cloud is managed within an organization's premises. D. Community cloud is shared among organizations with similar interests but does not necessarily involve both on-premises and cloud services. Question 9. True or false? Cloud computing always reduces costs for all businesses. A. True. B. False. Answer for question 9. Correct answer, B. False. While cloud computing can reduce costs for many businesses by eliminating upfront capital expenditures and improving operational efficiency, it may not always be cost-effective for every organization. Factors such as usage patterns and existing infrastructure investments can influence cost savings. To understand this nuance, review WizLab's study materials on cloud economics. Why other options are wrong? A. The statement ignores scenarios where cloud computing might not reduce costs. Question 10. Which of the following best describes the concept of elasticity in cloud computing? A. The ability to quickly scale up or down based on demand. B. The ability to maintain functionality despite component failures. C. The ability to ensure that systems are always accessible. D. The ability to reduce costs through efficient resource allocation. Answer for question 10. Correct answer, A. The ability to quickly scale up or down based on demand. Elasticity in cloud computing is similar to having a dynamic team that can grow or shrink based on project needs. It refers to the ability to rapidly increase or decrease resources in response to changing workload demands. For a comprehensive understanding, explore Microsoft Learn's resources on cloud computing concepts. Why other options are wrong? B. This describes fault tolerance. C. This describes high availability. D. While cost reduction is a benefit, it is not the definition of elasticity. Tip to succeed in AZ-900 certification. Understand the core Azure services and cloud concepts thoroughly. This is key to passing the AZ-900 exam. See you in the next quiz.